Silver Preserve is located in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, directly behind Cumberland Valley School District. The community itself is surrounded by trees. It is 86 lots and a very active, vibrant community. Keystone offers homes for every single lifestyle. Anything from our Augusta at 2,700 square feet to our Devonshire, which features 4,100 and some odd square feet. Silver Preserve will be featuring our Hawthorne Vintage. The Hawthorne Vintage is 3,600 square feet. It has a beautiful wraparound porch. And when you walk into the Hawthorne, you walk into a grand staircase. This model features the gourmet kitchen, and in the gourmet kitchen, we have an oven microwave combination, an additional cooktop, and a large extravagant island. The centerpiece of this home truly is the two-story family room. It has beautiful windows and is the showcase of this home. The owner suite in this model is just a beautiful room. The room itself has a tray ceiling, has lots of windows, and just makes you feel like you've entered your own personal oasis. Silver Preserve has it all. You have access to great restaurants, great schools, and you have great shopping. But you also have a community that is quiet and is somewhere that at the end of a busy workday, you'll be able to call home.